guys, this is Katrina and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel if you're an old-time subscriber, and I'd like to say welcome if you are new here. And in this video, y'all, we are going to be doing something a little different. For the past however many videos, it has been related to my natural hair, different products and everything. But today I am going to revisit some content that I used to do in the past but have definitely gotten away from. And you probably already seen from the title that this is going to be a nail related video today. So I do go to the nail salon to get my pedicures and everything. And I used to get my manicures done at the salon as well. But once I learned how to do my own manicure and gel polish at home, I just decided that I liked that better. But I will still go to the salon and get my pedicure. So with that being said, I have purchased a couple of new items that will make my at-home manicure, you know, a little bit easier or a little bit more enjoyable. And one of those things is the Kiara Sky Arm Rest. And this is what it looks like, Kiara Sky. And this right here is like a padded leather type material. And if you get like gel polish or anything on the leather part of it, all you have to do is get acetone and it'll come right off. But also on the bottom, these come out. And you just basically stick it in here. Take this out. Put that in there, and basically you have a little stand. So I just basically wanted to get this just to make my process a little bit easier. And then secondly, I got the Beyond Pro rechargeable LED lamp, and this is what it looks like inside the box. And I had my eye on this for a while, but I never really could, like, you know, just bring myself to pay the amount of money that it cost for this. But I finally splurged. They were having a sale, so I was like, what better time to go ahead and purchase it. But let me just take it out of the box real quick. It has a little opening here, and you can basically just slide it out. And it says, "Let it shine." And we are going to take this off. And so basically this is how it comes packaged. Now, as you can see, the box is open, but I have not used this as of yet. So let's just go ahead and take it out of the plastic. And this is what it looks like. It has the settings and everything there. And this is what the lights look like. Now this also comes inside. Let's see what this is. This is the plug and the other part of the plug. And then next in here we have the metal portion, and I have to now let me get the instructions to make sure I put this together properly. So let's just go ahead and take the plastic off. know if that is satisfying for some of you, but just gonna kind of take that off. And see how this goes. All right, so I figured it out. So basically it just kind of slides down in there and it just locks in like that. And so now this is what we're looking like, y'all. And it does have the little finger indentions for you to put your hands in like that. Isn't that cute, y'all? There we go. And so basically, I am not a professional, but like I said, I do like to do my own nails at home. So that is pretty much everything that comes in the box. And so for my manicure, I like to use this Instant Cuticle Remover by Sally Hansen. It is basically a gel, and you just kind of just put it on your cuticles, let it sit for a while, and then get you a little tool to push back your cuticles. And then you go and wash your hands, and then you proceed with your manicure. I do have a file here and a buffer. And so what I'm going to do for my manicure today, I'm going to use the Kiara Sky primer first. And then I'm going to go in with the Kiara Sky color base, and it is called Tan Lines. And lastly, I am just going to put on the top coat here. And of course, then I'm going to set my nails with my new LED light. So basically that is all that I'm going to do. So let's just go ahead and get started with this manicure, because y'all, it's overdue. This is what my nails are looking like. And I will say that my nails have gotten super strong. Like I said, I had to take a break from using I don't know if I said it or not, but I had to take a break from using the gel polish so often because my nails were getting like really brittle and just very weak and soft. So I just basically, let me show you the polish that I use. So basically what I have been using on my nails is the OPI Nail Envy, and basically this is a nail strengthener. And let me just say that it has really helped to make my nails strong. I am ready to get back using my different colors and everything. So we are just going to go ahead and get started. Alright y'all, so I'm done pushing my cuticles back with this cuticle remover here. So now basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and wash my hands, and I will be back. So that is pretty much it for this video. Comment down below and let me know what you think of the color that I chose. And also tell me what your favorite nail color is at the moment. And if you have not subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do so before you go. I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.